Now the other way to send the photos that are present in your Android phone to your iPhone is by using this application Send Anywhere. So install this application in both of your device, in your Android phone as well as in your iPhone. Now let me open Send Anywhere application in my Android device, and then I will select photos, and then let me select the photos that I want to transfer. So once I selected the photos that I want to transfer it to iPhone, I will tap on this option Send, and then I will open this Send Anywhere application in my iPhone, and then tap on this option Receive here. After that, I will either scan this QR code or else I will enter the number here. So 499934. After that, receive, and you can see I have received photos. So if I open this one, and then these are the photos that I have received from Android phone to my iPhone.